going to Scarborough Fair. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play all the notes we need for this song and give you a play along to easily practice with. This is part 10 in my series for reading music on the guitar, so give it a try. But if you feel lost, check the description. You can start all the way at the beginning at lesson 1. You can get this PDF for free in the description too. So grab your guitar and let's jump in. Here's page 10. We're going to learn 3 new notes today, D, E, and F. And these 3 are down here on the 4th string. Here's a D if I play it open. Fret the 2nd fret for E. And I'll fret the 3rd fret for F. That's D, E, F. Make a note of their staff locations here. D is all the way underneath. E is on the bottom line. And F is on the bottom space. D, E, F. Let's try this first one here together. We're mostly focusing on D, E, and F here, but the second line might mix in a couple of notes we already know from previous lessons. Here we go. Give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, once you feel comfortable with D, E, and F, we're going to move on to the second one here. And this really is much more like a drill than a song, right? This is just a list of all of the notes we've learned up to this point. Now we might play through this a couple of times, and I want you to practice saying the letters out loud. Call out the names of the notes as we go to really get them ingrained in your head. Give it a try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go again. Say those letters with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D. Backwards like that's kind of hard. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Running through all your notes like that is a really great warm-up. I highly recommend you run through that one a couple of times first thing when you pick up your guitar. It's a great way to get your fingers moving and refresh your memory on the names of the notes. Let's keep moving though. Here's our exciting song for today, Scarborough Fair. Now I love this song. Most of you probably know the Simon and Garfunkel version. We're in the 3/4 time signature, so we're going to expect to see 3 beats in every measure. One thing I could mention here that's a little interesting is we have whole rests. Normally whole rests are supposed to last for 4 beats, right? But you'll often see them here in 3/4 as well. Really, these are 3 beats long instead of 4, kind of just as a shorthand because it's easy to recognize that this is a full measure of rest. And there are a lot of rests in this song, so really count carefully. Here we go. Give it a try. 1, 2, 3. Like I said before, I love this song. This is a good candidate to try to take past 85%, right? If you like this song, spend some extra time with it. Try to get this one perfect. Try to get it up to 100%. Once you feel comfortable with that last playthrough, carry on forward. We're going to try it faster. So set your inner beat. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Great job! I hope you have a lot of fun practicing this one. Get the PDF in the description totally for free if you don't have it already. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. And I'll see you again soon.